Divide 717 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we put down this 1 and it is 21. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down this 7 and it is 17. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put zev. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get zev. So 717 divided by 5 is 143 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.